Robin, Starfire, Cyborg, Raven, Beast Boy, Teen Titans Go! Today on SETC we're going to be learning colours with the Teen Titans. Let's have a look at our first can. And here we have Robin on the purple can. Ooh! And inside we have a Superman figure. Oh, he's so cool. Okay, so next we have Raven, and she's on the yellow can. Oh wow! And we have the Dark Knight himself, Batman. Oh, just check out that awesome bat suit. Oh, he's super cool. Where's the Joker? Okay, next we have the Teen Titans Go logo. And this is on the red can. Ooh! Fantastic! And we have the red hood. Oh, he's so cool. Oh, he's such a cool character. Okay, next we have Starfire, and she is on the blue can. Ooh! Do we know who this is? That's right, we have the mysterious Raven from Teen Titans Go. Oh, she's so cool. Just check out that really unhappy face of hers. Oh, she's so cool. Are you a fan of Raven? Let us know in the comments below. Shh. Okay, moving on. We have Cyborg, and he is on the green can. Ooh! Hey! Awesome! We've got Robin from Teen Titans Go! Just check out how cool he is. Hey! Ha ha ha! Ch ch ch! Oh, he's so cool. That's such a cool cape. And next we have Beast Boy, and he is on the orange can. Ooh! And then here we have Catwoman. Wow! Just check out how cool she looks. So this is Catwoman in her purple costume. Whoa, she's so cool. Just check out those gloves with the claws on. Wow. Can you remember what colours we've used today? Green, red, yellow, orange, purple, blue.
Geo, Bing, Masha, Alvin, Anger, Peppa Pig, Gil, Buzz Lightyear. Today on SETC we're learning colours. Green, in here we find Amy Rose. Oh, she is super cute. Awesome! We also find a Thomas Mini. And this is Thomas dressed up as Superman. Whoa, that is so cool! Purple. In here we find Robin from Teen Titans Go. Awesome! And we also find Princess Twilight Sparkle. And this is the rainbow-fied version. Oh, she is super cute. White. Here we find the Season 3 Shopkin Macaroon. Do you like Shopkins? If you do, pop a comment below and let us know which is your favourite. Whoa! We also find a Spider-Man figural keyring. Whoa, that is so cool! Orange. Oh, look, we have a super cute little puppy in my pocket. Oh, how cute is this little doggy? We also find the adorable mermaid Una. And Una is from Sophia the First. Red. In here we find Sparky from Sheriff Callie's Wild West. Whoa, he's so cute! Do you like Sheriff Callie's Wild West? Give us a big thumbs up if you do. And we also find Mrs. Otterton. And she is from the Zootopia movie. Oh, she is super, super adorable. Have you seen Zootopia yet? If you have, let us know in the comments box below. Blue. In here we find Cinderella's palace pet, and this is the adorable Pumpkin. Oh, isn't she absolutely gorgeous? Look how sparkly her bow is. Whoa! And we also find Charmander. Oh, isn't he cute? yellow. In here we find a Play School My Little Pony figure, and this is of Minty. Oh, she is so cute. Do you like My Little Pony? If you do, let us know who your favourite is. And we also find the super cute petkin, Bonadette. And this is from Season 4 Shopkins. Awesome! Pink. Oh, here we find Chili from Doc McStuffins. Oh, look at that carrot nose. And we also find a silver Disney Tsum Tsum. And this is of Elsa from Frozen. Whoa, that is so awesome. Can you remember all the colours we've used in today's video? Blue, yellow, white, red, purple, orange, green, pink.
Amy, Sonic, Tails, Shadow, Knuckles, Metal Sonic. Today on SETC we're going to be learning colours. Blue, and here we have our Sonic figure. And this is Sonic from the new Sonic Boom series and game. Oh, he's super awesome. He's super articulated. Let's see what's in our can. Our first surprise. Ooh, what's this? Awesome! And we have Everest from Paw Patrol. Oh, she's so cool. And do you know what sort of dog Everest is? If you do, let us know. And next, oh, this is a big surprise. Let's see who's inside it. Can we guess who it is? Yeah, that's right. We have Miles from Tomorrowland. Wow, he's so cool. Hello, Miles.
Hey!
Oh, he's such a cool figure. Green. And here we have our Shadow figure. Wow, and Shadow is a hedgehog just like Sonic. Oh, he's so awesome. And again, we can move his arms and legs. Oh, he's super cool. And just check out his shoes. And in our can, ooh, let's see what we have. Our first surprise. I see a tail. And we've got, cool, we've got Nick Wilde from Disney's Zootopia. Have you seen Zootopia? If you have, let us know. And our next surprise. Whoa! We've got the awesome Jerome from Super Wings. Wow, he's such a cool plane. Let's transform him. Put his wings up. Fold his legs down and fold his arms out. Wow, he's so awesome. Are you a fan of Super Wings? Let us know.
Ray.
Pink. And here we have Amy Rose. And Amy is a hedgehog like Sonic and Shadow. And she wishes that she could be Sonic's girlfriend. And again, we can move her arms.
Sonic! Sonic! Where have you gone, Sonic?
And our pink can has inside... Ooh, what's this? Okay, let's see what it is. It looks a bit like a Thomas. Ooh. Oh, this looks super awesome. Fantastic! We have Cyborg Spencer from the Thomas and Friends minis. And this version is from the DC superhero line. Wow, he's awesome. See, he's got his half cyborg face there as well.
Jojo. Jojo.
And next we have... Oh, fantastic! We have another DC superhero. This time we have Raven from Teen Titans Go. Wow, she's super awesome. That is such a cool purple cape. Do you like Teen Titans? If you do, let us know.
Yeah.
Yellow. And here we have Tails. And Tails looks awesome. Just look at his goggles he's got. He's a cool figure. And do you know Tails' real name? If you do, pop a comment in the comments below.
Yeah.
And in our yellow can, we have... Ooh! Can we tell what it is yet? We've got... Ha ha ha! Awesome! We have a Disney squishy Tsum Tsum of Baymax from Big Hero 6.
Squish, 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 squish.
Oh, he looks super adorable. And next we have... Can we tell who it is yet? Ooh, I think I might know. Yes, it is! And we have the Green Lantern from the DC universe. And this is a bouncy ball figurine. Take his head off and it's a bouncy ball. Let's try it out. Oh no! It hit Tails and Amy. Orange. And here we have the evil Metal Sonic. Oh, he looks so evil. And do you know what game Metal Sonic first appeared in? If you do, let us know. Okay, and our first surprise. We've got... Oh, super awesome. We've got Olaf from Disney's Frozen. It looks like he's singing. Oh, just look how adorable he is. And our next surprise. I can see a foot which says Andy on it. Oh, awesome. We've got Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story. Come in, Star Command. Come in. To infinity and beyond! Oh, he's so awesome. Red. And here we have Knuckles. Wow, Knuckles looks awesome. Just check out his arms that are bandaged up. He's even got his little spikes on his hands as well. Okay. And our first surprise. Let's see what it is. Oh, cool! We've got Steve from Minecraft. And Steve is dressed in his golden armour. Oh, that is such an awesome figure. He's even got his little cool sword as well. Like he's about to go and fight the Ender Dragon. And next... Okay, what's in here? Okay, it's something red. Oh, I know that face. We've got Jabanian from Yokai Watch. Oh, just look how adorable Jabanian looks. He's even got his two little tails here with flames on the end. Have you seen Yokai Watch? If you have, let us know.
Meow.
Holly, Geo, Captain Jake, Minnie Mouse, Gecko, Ladybug, Dora, Marshall. Today on SETC we're going to be learning colours. Green. And in here we have... Awesome! We have Donald Duck from Mickey Mouse's Clubhouse. Wow, he looks super happy. And he's dressed up as a mailman. He looks like he's going to deliver some mail as well. Wow, Donald is super cool.
Quack, 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 quack.
Do you like Mickey Mouse's Clubhouse? If you do, let us know.
Shoo.
Pink. Ooh. Okay, in our first surprise. Ooh, who's this? Awesome. We have Rubble from the Nick Jr. show, Paw Patrol. Oh, he looks super adorable. And it looks like he's ready for any job. And next... Ooh, what's in here, I wonder? I can see an ear. Can we guess who it is? Awesome! We have Ellie Finnick from the Disney movie Zootopia. He's super adorable. Blue. Ooh. Okay. So, in our first surprise... Oh, super awesome! We have Clover from Princess Sophia the First. Oh, Clover's super adorable. Just check out those ears.
Yay!
It looks like Clover's dancing. Awesome! And our next surprise. Ooh, I wonder what's in here.
Okay.
What could it be? I know who this is. That's right, we have the adventure pony herself, Daring Do, from My Little Pony. Oh, Daring Do is one of my favourite characters from My Little Pony. Yellow. Ooh, Okay, so our first surprise. What could it be? Oh, I know who it is. And we have the super adorable Figaro. Oh, just check out that super adorable sparkly blue bow. Oh, Figaro is just adorable.
Meow, 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 meow.
And our next surprise. Ooh. Okay, what do we think's in here? It's orange. We have... Awesome! We've got the super awesome fire Pokemon, Charmander.
Charmander, Charmander.
Oh, Charmander's super awesome. Just check out the flame on the end of his tail.
Charmander, Charmander.
White. Ooh. Okay. Do we know who it is? Let's see. Oh, fantastic. We have Stuffy from Doc McStuffins. Oh, that is such a cool dangler. Wow. Red. Awesome. We have Ryder from Paw Patrol. Super awesome.
Yeah.
And next, ooh, I think I know who this is. And we have Lightning McQueen from the Disney and Pixar film Cars.
Ka-chow, ka-chow.
Wow, just look how detailed he is. And he's number 95.
Ka-chow. Ka-chow. Meow.
Purple. Do we know who it is? Yay! We have Holly from Ben and Holly's Little Kingdom. Oh, she's super adorable. And just look at those little rosy red cheeks.
Hello, hello.
Do you like Ben and Holly's Little Kingdom? If you do, let us know in the comments below. Orange. And in here, ooh. And we have Dipsy from the Teletubbies. Oh, Dipsy's super adorable. It looks like they're sat down waving.
Hello.